Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi friends.
Hi friends.
Hi friends.
Hi friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you later. Shall I go? Shall I go? Excuse me. Excuse me. Please. Please. Sorry. May I come in? May I come in? May I visit the room? May I visit the restroom? May I visit the restroom? You have to take permission from madam. May I visit the restroom? Visit the restroom? May I visit the restroom? May I visit the restroom? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can I play with you? Can I play with you? May I have a turn? May I have a turn? May I sit here? May I sit here? How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today? Great!
Great.
Great!
Great.
How are you feeling today?
How are you
Great! Congratulations! Congratulations! Enjoy your snack! Enjoy your snack! Can we be friends? Can we be friends? Good job! Good job! Well done! Well done! Can we explore together? Can we explore together? May I join you?
May I join you?
May I join you? Can I have a pencil? Can I have a pencil?
Can I have your pencil?
Can I have a pencil?
Can I have your pencil?
Madam, can I have water?
Madam, can I have water?
Madam,